Your screen recordings feel flat. Adding smooth zoom effects can guide your viewers' eyes exactly where they need to look. Today, I'll show you how to create professional zoom in and zoom out effects in OBS, and an even simpler way to do it automatically. First, download OBS from obsproject.com. It's free and works on Windows, Mac, and Linux. Go to Settings or Video. Set the base canvas resolution to match your monitor. I recommend 1920x 1080 or higher for clear results. In Settings Output, set the recording format to MP4 and increase the bitrate. For smooth zoom effects, 6000 kbps or more works well. Now create your main scene. Add a display capture or window capture source for your full screen. Duplicate your main scene. Crop the source to the area you want to zoom in on. This will be your zoomed-in view. Scale the cropped area so it fills the canvas. This creates the zoomed-in effect. Set hotkeys to switch between your full scene and zoomed scene while recording. This makes transitions quick and seamless. For smoother zoom transitions, add a fade or slide transition in OBS. This makes the zoom look professional instead of a hard cut. OBS zoom is powerful but requires setup. If you want the same zoom effect without configuring multiple scenes, Focusy does it automatically. It detects mouse movements or clicks and applies smooth zoom instantly. You can adjust zoom speed, scale, and timing in just a few clicks. Making it much easier to produce polished videos. So if you want full control, OBS scene switching works great. If you want speed and automation, Focusy is a time saver. Links are in the description. Share your favorite zoom tricks in the comments. I might feature them in the next video.